Hello everyone, back again with me, Ayu Martiana, and today in this video I'm going to tell you about how does the th and the sound produced. So without any more further ado, let's talk about it in the video. The or the sound can be either voice or unvoiced. This means that your vocal cords can either vibrate, for example, the, or not vibrate when you make sound. The word this use the vibrate mode while the word the is not. Okay, for example, I have the, them, they, these, this, clothes, and so on. That about the vibrating the sound. Meanwhile, also there is an unvoiced the sound that is think, thank, math, and then thin, and also with. Of course, there are a lot of more words that contains in either the or the sound. I guess that's all about the explanation about how does the and also the sound is produced, also with the example. I hope you can find something new in this video, and I'll see you again on my next episode. Bye bye.